Hello, here we are again. We're here at this gorgeous little cottage and they've got some flagstones. So we're going to put down our remove and go. As you can see, there's quite a lot of plaster and paint all over it. So hopefully this will get up and soften this up for us so we can get a deep clean. So we'll add some water onto that remove go and then we'll use a deck brush and we'll just brush it into the stone just so it covers all of it. And then the next thing we'll use is our 200 grit and then we'll put it on our buffer machine and we will just clean the floor, and this gives it a really deep clean, gets rid of all the dirt, and then we'll get the wet vacs out and we will just get rid of all the excess wetness. Just get rid of all of that, and then we can see what else we need to be doing to the floor. Once we've done that, as you can see, that plaster is still on the tiles, so I'm going to use this tool here and just really get in now and just try and scrub it out, and as you can see, it's coming up much easier than it was before. So we'll keep doing this on all the tiles. Come back for part 2 to see it finished and sealed.